Hi everyone, this is Pedro from StackSherpa.com, and we will explain today in roughly 5 minutes or even less the creation process of a virtual machine in an OpenStack infrastructure. In the first place, the client will ask the keystone component, that is the one in charge of managing the identity, to validate the credentials. Once the keystone component validates the credentials, sends a token to the client, and the client will be talking with the Nova component, particularly with Nova API. Once the API receives the message, will start its part of the instantiation process. The API will talk with the scheduler, and the scheduler will look for the best resource available in the cloud according to the schedule policy. It will assign that resource to the request and starts talking with Nova Compute. Nova Compute, via the hypervisor, will talk with Glance, that is the image service, which will provide the location of the image. Once the location is given to Nova, actually Nova Compute, will talk to the Swift component in order to download the image. Once the image is downloaded, the network component will give all the network parameters needed for the instance to work. The following step would be to attach a persistent value to the virtual machine, and for this matter, the volume component will receive that request. In Essex architecture, the network component is a subcomponent of Nova Network, but in Folsom is a new independent component that is called Quantum. The same happens with Nova Volume, that is another independent component of Folsom architecture called Signer. All these communications happens with the help of a message queue, in this case RabbitMQ, and once the network parameters and the volume are assigned to that particular instance, that virtual machine is now ready to receive the user request or be managed by any software. That's all. Thanks for watching.